All right, guys, we're back for our second box of 2018-19 Select. First off the line, if you haven't seen the first box, go back and check that out. It was a pretty good box. Got some really cool stuff out of it. Lots of color. Had a really good autograph in that one. So let's see what the second box has for us. All right. This seems like a pretty fun product to open, and if you can get them at the first off the line prices off the site for 120 bucks, you can't really go wrong. Tristan Thompson, Aaron Holiday, a James Harden, silver, cool card. Russell Westbrook, blue, very cool. And then a Trae Young, that's the premier level, yes. The Westbrook, numbered to 299. Huge Westbrook guy, so that will definitely be staying here in the PC. Really like that. I mean, if I'm going to hit color of, non-rookie guys, I'd like it to be, some of my Thunder guys or, stuff like that. So that's very cool. Diallo, speaking of Thunder, another Thunder. Slam dunk champion right there. This kid is about as athletic as they come, so be on the lookout for him. Brandon Ingram, DeAndre Ayton rookie, that's cool. Then we've got a Kent Bazemore. That's the premier level prism. And then we've got Zach LaVine. This pack is thick, so could be a dummy card, could be a mem card, we'll see. Nerlens Noel, Thunder Hot Box Alert. DeAndre Jordan, Ben Simmons, and it looks like that is, in fact, a dummy card. And then we've got a Landry Shamet. That's the courtside prism. And then we've got Batum. So I see more Thunder on the back there. That's always a good thing for me. Chris Dunn, J.R. Smith. Let's see, we've got a Jerome Robinson. And then, oh my gosh. So, I mean, a lot of people would be really, really excited about this. And I mean, I guess I'm kind of excited just because of the fact that, it's one of the better guys you can get. But anybody that follows my channel knows my feelings towards this particular player. So 11 of 13 on that guy that used to play for OKC. Steven Adams, a guy that currently plays for OKC and is very much appreciated. All right, so we got Sabonis. I'll say Sabonis, even though he used to play for OKC. Very cool guy. I really enjoyed his time here. Kyle Kuzma. We've got a Miles Turner and Kyrie. This is one of the premier level prisms. So Kyrie. And then Musa. I did pull a Musa in the first box as well. Jason Tatum. Chandler Hutchinson. Terry Rozier and Alan Crabb. This is one of the premier level prisms. This is, I don't know what they call this one, but I got a couple of them in the first box, so I know they're not super rare. Then we got Robert Williams, 3. So this pack has something thick, and I think there's something die cut as well. I can feel there. Marcus Smart, Josh Okogie, Mobamba, and another dummy for this dummy. And then we've got a Rudy Gobert. That is 4 of 65 on the Gobert. Those are pretty cool. I like these die cuts. The die cuts are pretty cool looking. And then, of course, Troy Brown Jr., which must be like a quadruple print in every product because I don't know what it is. I like I don't open a lot of packs, but for somehow just in the few packs I do open, I've amassed a pretty nice Troy Brown Jr. collection, if anyone's interested. This is another guy that seems to really haunt my breaks. Amari Spellman, Fournier, Bagley. That's a good one. And then Evan Fournier. Like, I don't know why in the world, like, this is not. Why do they put players like Evan Fournier in these products? I mean, okay. Enough about Fournier. Let's continue. I mean, what can you say about that guy in a single color patch card? That's just Trae Young. That's a good one. I think this is just the this is just the basic concourse level, I think is what they call it. And then we've got Dennis Smith Jr., Serge Ibaka, another former Thunder player. Concourse level there, that's not numbered. And then we've got a Alexander and McCollum. So this pack feels thick, and I've already had 2 dummy cards, so I'm assuming this is probably something. Clean shaven, Kevin Love. Close up there. Zaire Smith. Chris Paul. And Draymond Green. Like, probably one of my top 5 least favorite players in the league is Draymond. And then Jaylen Brown. Draymond Green is just, unless you're a Warriors fan, to me, he is just not a likable player. All right, we got Farik Aminu. We've got Donovan Mitchell, Jeremy Lin. We have got a Monte Morris. Let's see what this is. This is 37 of 75 on the Morris. And then we've got a Jerome Robinson courtside level. So last pack. We have got Kevin Knox. We've got Damian Lillard, Steph Curry, and we have got a Damian Lillard in flight auto. That is numbered 8. If it'll focus there, 8 of 49. There it goes. 8 of 49 on the Lillard. So that's a cool card. And then a Colin Sexton. So this box, to me, I didn't like it as well as the first one, but still some pretty cool stuff. Lillard, and then the first off the line exclusive, numbered to 13 of this guy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching box number 2, and box number 3 will be coming up shortly. Thanks.